Most people spend 6 months planning their AI business and never launch. I'm going to show you how to go from zero to your first $10,000 per month in 30 days. Not 6 months, not a year, 30 days. This is called the sprint method, and it's the exact framework I use to build a $56,000 per month AI business. It's also the framework hundreds of people are using right now to launch their own AI businesses. By the end of this video, you'll have the complete roadmap, week by week, day by day. And if you want the full system with templates, scripts, and step-by-step training, I'll show you where to get that at the end. But this video alone will give you everything you need to start. Let's go. Here's the problem with most people trying to start an AI business. They overthink it. They spend weeks researching AI tools. They spend months perfecting their website. They wait until everything is perfect before they launch. And they never launch. I call this the planning trap. You're trapped in learning mode, consuming content, taking courses, but never taking action. The sprint method is different. It's based on 3 core principles that flip traditional business advice on its head. Principle 1. Speed over perfection. Launch fast, fix later. Principle 2. Action over planning. Sell first, build second. Principle 3. Revenue over features. Get paid, then optimize. These 3 principles are why people using the sprint method go from idea to revenue in 30 days while others are still researching their niche. The difference isn't intelligence, it's not talent, it's speed. Speed is the ultimate competitive advantage when you're starting from zero. Let me show you exactly how this works. The sprint method breaks down into 4 weeks. Each week has a specific goal. Week 1, choose your service and niche. You're picking one AI service to offer and one type of client to serve. Week 2, get your first paying client. Not 10 clients, not 100, just 1. Week 3, deliver exceptional results and get referrals. You're building social proof and momentum. Week 4, build systems and set your foundation for scale. You're documenting everything so you can do it faster next time. That's it. 4 weeks. 4 goals. Most people try to do all of this at once and get overwhelmed. The sprint method forces you to focus on one thing each week. This is a proven framework. I've used it. Hundreds of people in the sprint with AI community have used it. It works because it removes decision fatigue and gives you a clear path forward. Now let me break down each week so you know exactly what to do. Week 1 is all about making 2 critical decisions. Decision 1, what AI service will you offer? Here are the best options for beginners. AI content creation, managing social media and blogs for businesses. AI voiceovers, creating voice content for podcasts and videos. AI chatbots, building customer service bots for local businesses. AI video editing, using tools like Descript to edit fast. AI design services, using Canva Pro and Midjourney for graphics. Pick 1, not 5. 1. The riches are in the niches, but first you need to niche your service. Decision 2. Who will you serve? Don't say everyone or small businesses. Get specific. Real estate agents, dentists, fitness coaches, e-commerce brands, restaurants. Pick one type of client. Why? Because when you niche down, your marketing becomes easy. You know exactly where to find them, what problems they have, and what language to use. Week 1 action items, day 1-2. List 10 possible AI services. Pick 1. Day 3-4. List 10 possible client types. Pick 1. Day 5. Create your offer. What exactly are you delivering? What's the price? For example, I create 20 social media posts per month for real estate agents using AI. Price, $1,500 per month. That's a clear offer. Week 1 is done. You now know what you're selling and who you're selling to. This took 5 days, not 5 months. Week 2 is where most people get stuck. They don't know how to find clients. They think they need a huge social media following or expensive ads. Wrong. Here's the sprint method approach for week 2. Day 1, make a list of 50 potential clients. If you chose real estate agents, go to Instagram, Facebook, and Google. Find 50 agents in your area. Write down their names and contact info. This takes 2-3 hours. Day 2, narrow it down to 20 prime targets. Look at their social media. Who has bad content? Who posts inconsistently? Who clearly needs help? Those are your targets. Day 3, reach out to 20 people. Here's the exact message framework. Hi, name. I noticed you're doing great work in area. I specialize in helping their profession dominate social media without spending hours creating content. I'd love to show you how I can create a month's worth of posts in one afternoon using AI. Interested? Send this to 20 people. Day 4, 5, follow up and have conversations. You'll get 5 to 8 replies. 3 will say no thanks. 2 to 5 will want to know more. Have phone calls with them. Don't pitch. Ask questions. What's your biggest challenge with social media? How much time do you spend on it per week? What results do you want? Then show them your offer. Your goal is 1 paying client by end of week 2. Just 1. Once you have that first client, everything changes. You have revenue, you have social proof, you have momentum. This is the breakthrough moment. Week 3 is about over-delivering and creating a referral engine. Day 1-3, create your client's first deliverable. If it's social media content, use ChatGPT to write 20 posts. Use Canva to design them. Use Midjourney for custom images if needed. Deliver everything early. If they expect it by Friday, deliver it Wednesday. Day 4, get a testimonial. This is non-negotiable. Ask your client, how has this helped you? Can you record a quick 60-second video testimonial? Most people will say yes if you delivered great work. This testimonial is gold. Day 5, ask for referrals. Here's the exact script. I'm so glad this is working for you. I'm taking on 2 more clients this month. Do you know any other agents, dentists, coaches who might benefit from this? Boom. You just got 2 to 3 referrals from your first client. Day 6 to 7. Reach out to those referrals. Your conversion rate will be 10x higher than cold outreach because you have a warm introduction and a testimonial. Close 1-2 more clients. By end of week 3, you should have 2-3 paying clients total. That's $3,000, $4,500 per month in revenue. You're 21 days in and you've built a profitable business. But we're not done yet. Week 4 is the difference between having a job and having a business. This week is about building systems so you can serve more clients without burning out. Day 1-2, create templates for everything. ChatGPT prompts, save every good prompt you use. Canva templates, create 20 design templates you can customize quickly. Client communication templates, onboarding emails, check-in messages, delivery emails, document everything. Day 3, build your workflow checklist. What are the exact steps from new client signs up to content delivered? Write it down. Step 1, client fills out intake form. Step 2, I create content using template A. Step 3, I review and customize. Step 4, I deliver via Google Drive. Step 5, I ask for feedback. This checklist means you can deliver consistently even when you're tired, busy, or distracted. Day 4, time yourself. How long does it take to deliver for one client? When I started, it took me 4 hours per client. After building systems, it took 90 minutes. That's the power of documentation. Day 5-7, set your goals for month 2. How many clients do you want? What's your revenue target? What systems do you still need to build? You're now 30 days in. You have 2 to 3 clients, $3,000, $4,500 per month in revenue, and systems that let you scale. This is your foundation. Month 2 is about replicating week 2 and week 3 until you hit 10 clients and $15,000 per month. The framework doesn't change, you just repeat it. Now here's the reality. What I just gave you is the framework, it's the roadmap, and honestly, if you execute what I just showed you, you can build a $10,000 per month AI business in 30 days. But here's what I didn't show you in this video: the exact ChatGPT prompts I use for every client type. The exact Canva templates that make design take 10 minutes instead of 2 hours. The exact outreach scripts that get 40% reply rates instead of 5%. The exact sales call framework that closes 60% of prospects. The exact pricing strategies for different niches. The exact systems I use to deliver in 90 minutes per client. All of that's in the complete Sprint with AI system. I built it because I was tired of seeing people fail because they didn't have the exact tools, not just the framework. The complete system includes the full 30-day training broken down day by day with video lessons, my entire template library, prompts, designs, emails, everything. Live group coaching calls where I help you troubleshoot in real time. A private community of people executing their sprints right now. Access to all future updates as I add new tools and strategies. If you want the complete system, go to sprintwithai.com. That's sprintwithai.com. I've made this as affordable as possible because I want this accessible to everyone. You can check out everything that's included at sprintwithai.com. Before you go, I want to show you that this actually works, not just for me, but for real people. Sarah started her sprint 6 weeks ago. She offers AI content creation for fitness coaches. She's now at $8,500 per month with 6 clients. Mike launched 4 weeks ago offering chatbot services to restaurants. He has 3 clients paying $2,000 per month each. That's $6,000 per month, and he's only been doing this for a month. Jessica just finished week 2 and closed her first client yesterday at $1,500 per month. These are real people getting real results using the exact sprint method framework I just showed you. The difference between watching this video and actually succeeding? Execution. Most people will watch this, think that's interesting, and do nothing. Don't be most people. You have 2 choices right now. Choice 1. Take what I gave you in this video and execute it on your own. I genuinely hope you do that. This framework is free, and it works. Choice 2. Get the complete system with all the templates, scripts, and support at sprintwithai.com. Either way, the framework is the same. It's about speed, action, and revenue. 30 days, that's all you need. If this video helped you, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button because I drop videos like this every week breaking down real AI business strategies, not theory, real execution. And drop a comment below telling me, what day of your sprint are you on? Day 0, day 5, day 20. Let me know, and I'll reply with personalized advice for your next step. If you want the complete Sprint with AI system, head to sprintwithai.com, SPRINT with AI.com. You'll see everything that's included, all the templates, all the training, everything. And if you have questions, I'm in there answering them personally every single day. Alright, that's it. You now have the complete 30-day framework to build an AI business from scratch. The only question is, are you going to execute? I'll see you in the sprint. I'm going to show you how to go from 0 to your first $10,000 per month in 30 days.